1.5M lang, house and lot na sa Tanza, Cavite. Bank Fair Close, 2-story house sa Barangay Tanawan, Tanza, Cavite. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, provision for 1 carport. 44 square meter lot area, 40 square meter floor area. No bidding basta walang kasabay, kaya kung available pa, huwag nang patagalin, unahan sa processing. Selling price, 1,500,000. Sample computation, 20% down payment, 300,000. 80% bank loan, 1,200,000. Estimated monthly amortization around 9,000 to 11,000 per month. Depende sa bank interest rate, loan term at approval. Bakit worth it? Affordable entry price, 2-story house with 2 bedrooms, may provision for carport, bank home loan available. Good option for first-time homeowners or long-term investment. 5,000 earnest money plus requirements ang kailangan para makapag-start ng processing. Take note, as is where is, bank fees and transfer of title are not included. Free house tour assistance, message us now bago maunahan. Comment TN15 para sa complete details at viewing schedule. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!